Close your eyes and imagine walking through a store. Thousands of products surround you, each vying for your attention. Now ask yourself what makes you reach for one product over another. That magical moment of connection begins with packaging design. Great packaging design is a silent salesperson telling your brand's story in milliseconds. It's the difference between a product that sits quietly on the shelf and one that practically jumps into shopping carts. This isn't about just looking pretty, it's about strategic visual communication that drives sales. For 72% of consumers, packaging design directly influences their purchasing decisions. When we designed Mountain Peak Coffee's new sustainable packaging, their sales jumped 120% in 3 months. The product inside hadn't changed, but the story it told through its packaging had evolved. Think of packaging as your brand's handshake with customers. It needs to feel right. When luxury skincare brand Lumiere approached us, their simple glass bottles weren't conveying their premium positioning. We introduced subtle gold foiling, textured labels, and a signature pattern that transformed their market perception. Within 6 months, they were stocked in high-end department stores. Effective packaging design balances art with science. We study shelf placement psychology, eye tracking patterns, and consumer behavior. We know that a package viewed from 2 feet away needs different design elements than one examined up close. Every curve, color, and texture is chosen with purpose. Modern packaging design goes beyond aesthetics. It needs to be Instagram-worthy, environmentally conscious, and functionally superior. When Fresh Harvest Meals wanted to revolutionize their ready meal packaging, we created designs that not only photograph beautifully for social media, but also improved the heating process and reduced plastic waste. Your packaging must work across multiple touch points. From shelf appeal to unboxing experiences, from shipping durability to storage practicality, we consider every moment in your product's journey. Remember, customers aren't just buying a product, they are buying an experience. We believe in future-proof design. Markets change, consumer preferences evolve, but great packaging design remains relevant. Look at how we helped Botanical Bliss adapt their packaging. While maintaining their core design elements, we created a flexible system that could accommodate new product lines and changing regulations. The technical aspects matter just as much as creativity. We understand printing processes, material limitations, and cost implications. Our designs don't just look good in concept, they are optimized for production efficiency and scalability. This saved Pure Earth products 23% in production costs while improving their packaging quality. Color psychology plays a crucial role in our design process. For organic snack brand Nature's Bite, we used earth tones to reinforce natural ingredients, while strategic pops of bright colors created shelf impact. Their market share grew by 45% in key retailers. The most successful packaging designs tell a story at a glance. When artisanal cheesemaker Cedar Grove needed new packaging, we created a design that communicated traditional craftsmanship with modern appeal. Stockists reported customers reaching for their products first, drawn by packaging that promised quality inside. Practical considerations are built into every design. We think about how your product will be shipped, stored, and displayed. Will it stack efficiently? How will it handle temperature changes? These details matter as much as the visual appeal. We are living in an era where packaging needs to work harder than ever. It must protect your product, promote your brand, please retailers, and pamper your customers, all while being environmentally responsible. That's exactly the sweet spot we aim for. Your product has a story to tell. Ready to give it packaging that captivates and converts. Transform your shelf presence with a free consultation today.